We recommend this product be installed by a competent gunsmith.
Modification of your firearm may nullify the warranty of the firearms manufacturer.
No liability is expressed or implied for damage or injury which may occur from improper use or installation of this product.
You are responsible for the safe handling, legalities, and use of your firearm.
Warning: always wear safety glasses when working on firearms. Hi guys, today I'm here to walk you through installing this optic mount on your pistol. We're going to walk through the tools, the kit contents, and the process for installation so you get it just right the first time. Tools needed for this installation are a Torx T15 wrench, a Torx T10 wrench, a 2.5mm hex wrench, and a torque limiter for 15 inch-pounds and one for 20 inch-pounds. I prefer the fix-it sticks because they're a click and go past, but you can also use a standard torque wrench. This optic mount is designed specifically to be installed on the Sig RX Pro slide. To identify the RX Pro slide, you have a radius at the front here and an undercut underneath that surface, as well as a rear sight dovetail. So, rear sight dovetail, radius, and undercut are the Sig RX Pro cut, which this mount fits into. That's what these little tabs go into. The contents of this kit are the base itself and the base screws, the cap and the cap screw. You'll notice all the screws have a little bit of nylon thread locker already on them, so all you have to do is torque them in place and you're done. To install the base, we're just going to take the base, put the front tabs underneath the undercut, and drop it down on the slide. I'll take my base screws on my 2.5mm wrench, and I'll start them in the slide by hand. Once I get them close and where they just touch down, then I'll come back with my torque wrench and torque them down. Now that I have the screws preset into place, I'm going to go and use my fix-it stick at the 20 inch-pound torque setting. Go ahead and put that guy in, and I'm going to torque it until it clicks. There we go. And I'll do the other one the same way. Insert it, give it a twist, and we're good to go. Now that we have the base installed and torqued down, I'm going to go ahead and install the cap. You'll see the two little bosses on the bottom. They lock into the two bosses in the plate. Put that guy down. It should sit right down. If it doesn't, you can give it a little tap with your finger or the back of your screwdriver, and it should sit down. I'll take my little screw. I'll use my Torx T10 wrench, and I'll start that guy in nice and gentle. These are really fine threads, so you want to make sure you get a good grab, not a cross thread. Once I get it down, I'll torque it to 15 inch-pounds, and I'm all set. Now I can install my optic, and the optic mount is installed. If you find you need to remove your mount for maintenance or cleaning, there's a little notch here on the front side. After I pull the screw out, I can come back in and kind of twist and rotate. This one pop right out, but sometimes they'll get a little bit stuck in there. So you're just going to give it a little twist and pop and pull it up to get that plate off, and then pull the screws out to remove the mount.